Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Welcome back to another cooking vlog. Cooking with Erica. Cooking with Erica. So yeah guys, today I'm gonna cook some stew pork with some mashed potatoes and vegetables on the side. Yeah guys, remember guys to subscribe to the channel, also hit those post notification bell guys, so that as I post a video you guys will get notified, right? Yes, remember you can also follow me on other platforms. Yes guys, at the same Fanika TV all across the board. But on Facebook, guys, it's Erica Shackelford. That is ERICA SHACKLEFORD, right? Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, guys, we're gonna make some stew pork with some mashed potatoes. I'm gonna feel rice. I'm gonna feel dumplings. So we are doing mashed potatoes today for dinner. Yes, guys, and remember to please share the video and don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. Thank you. Okay, guys, it's not have much bone in it, so I guess it's supposed to easy cut. The table are lean. All Amazon need to give me back money for that table. Bone, yeah. The father side bone, guys. Bone just ago. I think can't cut. You know what? But I'm really left because he's stuck in a damn something like the beef one here. But I got trouble it for season it up. I season up the pork. I'm gonna put in a pressure cooker. You know, I put too much sazon or season to the bone. That's what I'm called. I put the soy sauce, man. You could soy sauce. Wow, how much come down? Alright, guys, we have some browning. You know, if not, it's a small knife, not. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put little tip. Alright, I'm not to want too much browning for me. I'm gonna want it black. And guys, I'm gonna rub up. So rub it up with my hand. Got to a pork. I rub it up with my hand. And three browning, the more the browning fit catch everywhere. The browning have a tendency to a different place. Yeah. It the meat with everything in it in the pressure cooker. That's it cook faster. I'll just throw a little water in this. And throw in there. Alright guys, so we knock. Go get it. Alright, so I show you the Irish potato we get. So it's some local Jamaican potato. This is how it looks. For all who never see it before, this is how it looks. So yeah guys, we will peel them. Normally we don't peel them guys, but I will peel them today as true me not gonna put no mayonnaise and stuff on it. But I'll get it peel off and so. But you have to know how to peel it. That's not peel off too much of your potato and you get, you're not good on too deep down in it. So yeah guys, that's what we're up to today. We're not cooking no rice, no flour. We are cook Irish potato and some pork, right? So well I feel like that's a healthy meal. So comment down below if you think say this meal when I cook is healthy and it's a full balanced meal. So yeah guys, just comment down below and let me know. Stay tuned. Remember guys to hit that post notification bell and remember to go and watch my older videos so you get more acquainted with my content. I'm gonna peel. I need to cover this because I'm gonna peel my potato. I don't want to peel it too deep. I did that. Me have one eye something when they use peel them, but they never tell us say we peel off your skin too. I take off my skin. Huh? There must nobody that. That's why I think of somebody not peel them because it take a time to peel. And then you don't really want to peel off the good part of it. Mosquito bite me too. The foreign one easier to peel than the local. So cut in two, and then drop it back in our I got this down too much time. No, I want to go deep down coming out with serious. None of the Irish. Oh my god. Right, so that right here, so I have one little compost plate with me have my oregano. So I just go put the skin in it, that's it. You get the nutrients. Or the potato skin. Everything when I peel, I know so I just throw it. Because throw it in a pot, you have to keep on putting put nutrients in it. So yeah guys. Let me just cut them fine this thing while properly. And And if you boil pepper, you see me I cut it as fine as me can. This need not cut fine. Okay guys, so I put down pressure. Suppose you can pull off a good one on me. And check if it's soft. And it's soft guys. I go see. I go there. And it's soft guys. Very soft. But my potato still a cook. My potato still a cook, so I go just cover this up back and get my veg. Yeah, start boiling it. Yeah, I put salt in it, you know. It tastes. Just look at me, I go and look more potato. I put everything in, so I know I not use everything. And call this yellow onion. Yes, guys, I chop up onion. To sweet up with pork and stuff. Tomatoes. Slice up those tomatoes. I love tomato in pork. I just love the color and everything. Yeah. Alright guys, this is my carrot. And carrot now work well. It's like, I don't know if you cut it. Because then carrot are green. And that's the thing too, you know. The carrot then green. Let's cut them up so. Now then could have ripe a little more. People then can't wait for the carrot. Red one. Now I always cut up on it back guys. Tomorrow do. My lovely people, the mashed potato finished. The mashed potato finished boil, so I'm just going to throw in another container here. I feel like stuck in a pot, you know. I'm going to mash them up. And then I'll finish cook the pork. So you guys. I'll put in the sweet pork. And the pot. So, that looks like thing I have. Okay. I'm thinking of this young man. They got the pork a little pressure. And so, I'm going to make the pressure too long. Because when the pressure is too long, guys, it's not taste. So, I'm going to make it boil up little. And then add the seasoning them and cut up. In here. Plus me, one sauce. I just blend up one little something. It's a one little something I blend up. It's a little secret ingredient. I use to spice up my pork. So yeah. Just to get a little something always have to slide off. Something always have to slide off of this guys. Guys, it might just be out a while ago. We not charge. You see that me not like. Me I go start charge my mic like overnight. Because if you not charge properly, you know get the something there. So guys, this is it. We're gonna make this boil up now and cook down. I already see me mash the potato already. So that is it. Just this alone to cook now and yeah. And then we're done. Let me do the cover. Let me cover it up. And let it cook. Alright guys, so my dinner. Mashed potatoes. The pork, I take it bone, guys. I feel like it bone are nice. Yeah.